Welcome to JH. The Scoopz.com claims to be a sanctuary for authentic creators to share unfiltered stories and build real communities. Because, let's be honest, the internet was clearly suffering from a desperate shortage of places for people to overshare their lives. But is this platform actually legit, or just another digital mirage? Let's break down the evidence and see if it's worth your storage space. On the positive side, the numbers are actually quite staggering. The app boasts a 4.5-star rating on the Play Store from over 80,000 reviews and more than 50 lakh downloads. Over on the App Store, it's currently ranked 11th in entertainment with a solid 4.8 stars. It seems a lot of people are genuinely enjoying it, or they've all just got a very high tolerance for original content. The platform also maintains a massive social media presence and, shocker, actually provides a real email, phone number, and physical address. It's refreshing to see a company that doesn't hide behind a digital curtain like a shy wizard. Apple users are calling the app absolute gold and a refreshing alternative to the usual TikTok and Instagram chaos. Some are even begging for live streaming features because apparently we haven't reached peak look at me yet. However, the Play Store reviews are a bit more of a mixed bag. While some love the uncensored vibe, others are dealing with technical glitches, repetitive clips, and a support team that seems to be on a permanent coffee break. It turns out unfiltered also occasionally means unfunctional when you can't even edit your own interests. So, is the Scoopz.com the real deal? Based on the massive user base, transparency, and high ratings, yes, it's a credible platform. It's certainly not perfect, and the technical bugs suggest it's still finding its feet, but it's definitely a legitimate space rather than a scam. Thanks for watching until the very end. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more updates, or just keep scrolling and pretend you didn't see this.